Intaketengo tebaiga. Ebintu bingi bigagerire assessment yakoru recently by the quality assurance. Agarba this school I think they got satisfied because one of the things is that we have been consistent in performance. Briefly take through the history of Kebirigo Boys High School in the last 5 years.
Yes.
Kero cha kero mwaka oyo tolebono itwa last year 2024 we had a mean of 8.8. The previous year 2023 we had a mean of 8.4. The other year before this one, that is the year 2022, the mean yalengo yange 8.8. And again the other year, that is 2021, the mean yalengo 9.1.
So consistently,
consistent at 8 point something. Actually, the lowest in the last 5 years is 8.4. That's one of the things. Okay, I mentioned that's one of the things. Is a chindetua to this. Another thing, facilities. They look at, I think they look at the school in its entirety. You know, the whole spectrum of school. Yeah. How prepared are we, for example, for STEM? STEM. They discovered we are prepared for STEM because we have done 4 new laboratories.
Yes.
2 to completion, and the 2 are partially complete, but 95% complete. It's only the fittings that we've not done. In addition to the one in Rutuabugate, we had 1 laboratory. So we have now 5 science laboratories. On top of that, we have a whole floor of a building that we have dedicated ICT Center.
Yes.
And the Minister Njaji School recently, some 3-4 weeks ago, and we requested him at H computer, he promised him to computer 100. So we want to believe that place will be equipped fully and all that. Then we also have expanded the library space. So when they looked at these things, chidometry, all that, the infrastructure in general, and even we have a multipurpose hall that even, you know, to host drama last year, the region.